Welcome to our comparison of two popular grooming tools, the Andis T-Outliner and the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000. In this video, we'll dive into their features, specifications, and help you choose the best option for your grooming needs. Let's get started. The Andis T-Outliner is designed specifically for precise trimming and outlining, making it a favorite among barbers for creating sharp lines. In contrast, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 is a versatile all-in-one grooming kit that offers multiple attachments for various grooming tasks, including beard trimming, body hair removal, and more. This makes the Norelco a more flexible option for those who want an all-encompassing grooming solution. The Andis T-Outliner operates on a corded power source, which provides consistent power but may limit mobility during use. On the other hand, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 is battery-powered, offering the convenience of cordless grooming with a long-lasting battery life of up to 5 hours, making it ideal for travel and on-the-go grooming. The Andis T-Outliner features durable carbon steel blades that provide clean, sharp lines and edges, ideal for detailed work. In contrast, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 uses self-sharpening, titanium-coated blades, which are designed for longevity and efficiency across various grooming tasks. While both blade types offer quality performance, the choice depends on your specific grooming needs. In conclusion, if you prioritize precision and sharp lines, the Andis T-Outliner is an excellent choice. However, if you prefer versatility and a broader range of grooming options, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 7000 is a more comprehensive solution, despite its higher price point. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.